Hello friends, today I'm going to show you how can you print your data on a single sheet in case if you have multiple entries or the data is very big, and if you see in normal preview it covers almost 2 pages, but the requirement or your desire is to bring the data on a single page. How can you do this? Once you come back after the preview, you will observe the dash lines. The dash lines are showing you the area covered by this data or the page covered by this data. So this is the page 1 size, and if I will go to zoom out, you will see this is the page 1, and then this boundary is for page 2, page 3, page 4, and so on. So what you can do to bring this all data to the on a one single sheet. Now the first trick is very simple. Go to page layout and play with this scale size. Once you start reducing the percentage, you will see that this dashed line is start to jump to the next column. It's mean what is happening behind, actually it is reducing the font of this table or the cell size to cover or to bring the data on a single page. So I will reduce, you will see it's the size of the page is increasing, and now your all data is on one single page or sheet. You can preview it by pressing Ctrl P. It will show you the data on a one single sheet. Before there were two sheets, now the data is on one sheet. If you like it, okay. If you don't like it, okay, I will bring it back to the original size. And I can also control this by going here on print titles. I will click on page tab, and here I will select the fit to one page, and my page size is A4. That is commonly we use for the printing. Let's see the preview. So it bring my data on a one page. If you are okay with it, okay. If you are not okay, you can say okay, take it to 2 pages, and the width is, so it will take you to the normal size, and you can play around, because if the data is long, there are different scenarios. You can follow different techniques you can apply to acquire your desired results. The second thing is you can also increase or decrease the top and bottom margin to fit the data in your sheet. For example, I will reduce the margin to 5, and here also 5, to increase the printing area. What else you can do after reducing the top and bottom margin? You can also bring your data to the center. So let's see the preview how it will look. It will go to the center, and here in the center as well. So after that, what you can do more, you can go in header and footer, and usually I go here and insert the page number, and you will see in the preview it will give you at the bottom, this is a page number 1, and this is a page number 2. One more thing you can do also, for example, if the data is going on 2 pages and you want to repeat this header, how can you do this? Go here again on a print tiles and select the row repeat on top. I will select this row and then see the preview. You will see now the header is repeating on each page. I hope you like the video. Bye bye.